Hi all, welcome to my channel English with Lata. Today we shall learn little more about verbs. What is verb? Verb is an action word. It talks about all the actions that we do. It could be listening, thinking, sitting, sleeping, anything. Under verb, we had learned transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive is where there is an object in the sentence after the verb, and intransitive is where you don't have an object. The sentence ends with as in I write. There's nothing that follows. I am writing, I will be writing. So these are all intransitive verb sentences. Also, when you say I write well, I write beautifully, I write legibly, okay, it does not carry an object, and so they are intransitive verb sentences. In the sense, the verb does not transfer its meaning to another noun. Under verb, we also have main verb and helping verb. Main verbs are only three, that is be, have and do. These are other forms of be, as in is, are, be, been, being, was, were, am. And the other forms of have is has, had, having. Other forms of do is does, done, doing. Did is the past form. Okay. So, main verbs are very important in a sentence. Verbs are important. Without verbs, you cannot talk about the subject. Subject is person, noun. A noun always follows, noun or pronoun follows with verb. Okay, a noun always have to do some action. So, action and subject, the noun or pronoun, is very important. So this is called main verb, and it is compulsory. Any words, that is write, speak, stand, falls under one of these. It could be either is, be, or have, or do. What is helping verb? Helping verbs are that helps the main verb. Okay, may, might, can, could, will, would, shall, should, ought to, need to. These are some of the helping verbs. And helping verbs remain helping verbs all the time. They cannot replace themselves to be main verb. But main verb can take the position of helping verbs. Let's study that with the given example here. I write. I is the subject. Write is the main verb. Write is talking one of the action, do. Okay, it is talking about write is to do. Okay, so I am writing. Write continues to be the main verb. Written, writing are all main verbs. Am, though it is the main verb here, but is a helping verb here. So when you already have a main verb, then these words will be helping verbs. Okay, so will be is helping verb, may have is helping verb, might have been is helping verb. So helping verbs are very useful and helpful in our speech. Otherwise, we would not be able to communicate different actions. We all know we can think so much, but expression, communication is something very important because it has to match what we have in our mind. Only when you are able to express what is in your mind, you will be able to get across to people as to what you want them to understand. So these helping verbs and further the verbs and nouns, all that is only to help people to express themselves, speak better, communicate better. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, helping verbs are also called modals. It is also called auxiliary verbs. You must have heard auxiliary verbs. Okay, in schools, there were compulsory exercise on to fill up may, might, can, could. Okay, appropriate helping verbs, which were also called modals. So, thank you. If you have liked my channel, if you have liked something here, if you have learned something, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.